market your business on YouTube. So what if you could get to 100 or 1,000 or 1,000,000 more subscribers, more customers, more sales, more money? Woo! For free. That's the awesome part, for free, right? So how do you do this? Well, of course, on the 800-pound gorilla, YouTube. 2 years ago, 9% of small businesses in America had a YouTube channel. Only 9%. What about today? Today, only 9% of businesses have a YouTube channel. What is going on? This is an incredible opportunity for you. Put your business on YouTube right now. People love to watch people. So what do you market for your business on YouTube? Who you are. What is your unique selling proposition? What makes you different? Who are your clients? What are your products and services? You can put customer testimonials up there. How to use your whatever it is that you sell. What are the benefits of what you sell? Who uses your whatever you sell and why they use it? How do you market on YouTube? And that's what we want to know, right? So how? Well, there are different types of videos that you can use to market yourself on YouTube. Explainer videos, educational videos, training videos, product infomercials. Use your YouTube channel just like you would if you were on television, because it is your own broadcast network, so you can make infomercials about your products and services. How-to videos have been increasing in search 70% year over year on YouTube. That's how many people are looking for how to XYZ. Community action videos. How are you involved in your community? What are you doing in your community? How are you making your community better with your business? What is your business lifestyle? What do you do as a business? Who are your customers and what are they using of your products and services? Why and how are they using them? These are all types of videos. Call to action videos. Lead magnet videos to get people off of YouTube onto your website to join your email list. And we know, because I've said this a million times, the reason to do that is because YouTube keeps your email list a secret. You have your subscribers, but you do not have access to them unless you post something on the discussion tab. So you need to get their email addresses, because if you have 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000 subscribers and you don't have their email addresses and your channel goes down, poof, so does your subscriber base. Local business information. What if you are selling something locally? What if you're a realtor? This is a great way for you to talk about what is happening locally around your business. E-commerce store information, where your business is located. This is all valuable content for people to find you. If you are thinking of marketing your business on YouTube, it is the smartest thing to do. I'm Sheri Barbera, and this was Zazoome, the Business YouTubers channel.